Hey guys, we received these Speks mini gum stress balls for test and try. So they are the silky, soft memory gel, squishy balls. Let me just open the box and show it to you. So they are nice, like if you just pass your time or do some like hand exercise and stuff, you can just easily take these balls. And you can see they are set of six small balls. It's like the mini balls, so easy to squish and they are gel filled. So it will just take up its shape. You can just press this one and it regain its shape. So there are total six with a really nice vibrant color as you can see, and feel is really good. You can easily wash them under water and with soap and then enjoy that multiple times. So hope you like this as well, and it's very helpful for your time. So wherever you feel it.